Hello everyone, welcome back to Tony Talks. To all my beautiful subscribers, we say thank you so much for staying with us. And if you're new here, we're so happy you find us. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press on that notification bell so you will be notified for more upcoming videos. And if in the comment section, please no derogatory comments. Thanks for watching. Till I'll see you all in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you all. Bye.
How are you guys? Good evening. Good evening, guys. How are you? Ẹ káalẹ́ o. Ṣé dáadáa ni mo bá yín? I've been very busy since. In fact, I've been very, very busy. I want to come and discuss about my interview with Jude. Because a lot of my fans, you don't know where to watch the full interview. And a lot of you were like, when did you do the interview? When did you granted the interview? When did this happen? When with that? Actually, that interview happened very late last year. Very late last year. They sent a message to my Kilo de báyìí. Ìwọ náà wò. Nígbà tá ní di advert wa. So this ó ti bàjẹ́ ó ṣe pa. Ba ó ti ṣe. So sent a message to my management team. My management team sent the message to me, and of course, being on Jude's show is not bad at all. A lot of people were like, Lizzie, grant interview from Jude. Oh, grant interview for our. The truth is this. The social media has not been nice so far, so good. And even if I don't want to grant interview for some people, I will still honor some that are neutral. My interview with Jude. Oh. Let me tell you something. Yorùbá sọ pé ìdá ló máa pèrè lẹ́rú. You know the meaning? Do you know the meaning? Èéfín ni wà. You don't understand? At least for the first time, àwọn tí side Jude, wọ́n ti mọ nǹkan tá ń face nípa bully ní society. For the first time in history, wọ́n ti mọ nǹkan tó ń pè ní bully. Àwọn gan ti rí settings yẹn bó ṣe rí. Gbogbo wọn ti rí clearer picture nǹkan tó ń pè ní bully. Iṣẹ́ tí àwọn àdótòṣì group of blackmailers and all that nǹkan tó ń ṣe wọ́n ti rí. The truth is, tí anybody background interview, you will never see me or my fans, even if they are celebrating anything, except if they come to rub it on our face. That is when we will react. I don't mention names. We don't mention names. We don't go for people. We don't attack. But of course, if you come for us, we defend ourselves. And some people are like, Jude, you are messing up your platform. No. You are messing up your life. So far, so good. That was a hit on Jude's platform. Jude is doing his job. This is Lizzie Anjorin. All of you making mouth, all of you leaving negative comments. I challenge people to click on your handle or your page. There was a lady that said, Jude, you messed up your page by bringing Lizzie. When I click on it, her house does not even have, it's not POPO, ceiling. You don't understand? Go and click on all those people, either private account, fake account, or all these 1,000 naira nuisance. First thing, when I saw Jude questions, I was like, wow, are these people watching my show or what happened? If you have a good story, Jude will definitely invite you for an interview. If your story had values to the society, Jude and any other platforms, they will invite you over. You can't go on platforms and be condemning people, bullying people, talking down on people. You want good people to have you on their platform, but you are a bully. You have no story, you have no life, you have nothing. Nothing to write home about you. Even when you open your mouth, there is no single value in your life, not to talk of your mouth. Check out my interview with Jude on YouTube. Without mentioning anybody's name, without bringing down anybody, without attacking anybody, check out my interview with Jude. Education is not a scam. English is not our language. But education is not a scam. You cannot compare someone that hustle to school or that hustle a way out to make sure, okay, I have my primary, secondary, college of education, with someone that's been sleeping around at age of 4, at age of 5. What do you want to come and tell the public? What do you want to come and tell? Okay, look at my story. Go to Jude's YouTube. Go and listen to the full interview of Lizzy Anjorin without bringing anybody down, without condemning anybody, without calling any names. Jude invited me over to come and, motivate the youths. Tell people your story. And I was not being shy, or I was being pure. Despite the fact that Jude platform is more of English or something, I was proud to tell them my hustle, my background, my foundation. I was proud about my mother's journey. I was not there to tell them, oh, yo, my mother built mansion in Banana Island. My father is this. My father is a tika body. My mother is kinika. Without anybody, you see, interview no man to àṣírí ẹni tí ò lọ́pọlọ. Because those people are extremely intelligent. Especially people like Jude. Jude. Okay, look at my interview with Timi Agbaje. Jude. These are two tough erikino. When it comes to interview, there's no how smart you are. You will know, okay, these are professionals. They are not quack. They are not cut and join platforms. Timi Agbaje platform. If you think you are a bully, Timi Agbaje is a bigger bully. If you are not eloquent, if you are not brilliant, you cannot go on Timi Agbaje's page, platform. If Timi Agbaje enter you 2 to 3 times, if you don't control your anger, in fact, Jude own is another ball game. Jude will be laughing, but forget it. Jude go to enter your body, Jude go to enter your totori. Jude go to enter, Jude, with this kind of woman features, like, okay, by then, in fact, he will be the one to answer the question before he asks you the question. So it takes a very smart, calm, brilliant personality to go on Jude's platform and deliver. So you understand? It's not about, you see, when you have maybe opportunity of going on any platform, it's not about attacking people, attacking anybody's personality, trying to paint another person black or blue, or trying to make yourself look good. No. You make yourself look stupid. The moment you're on platform, okay, why do they interview us? They want us to come and tell people about us, about our life. He's not going there. You see, going on platforms to attack, to bully, shows you are empty-headed. You have nothing in your brain. In fact, let me tell you something. If you go to Jude's page on Instagram, maybe we have 1,400 comments. The one he posted in the morning. 1,000, maybe 1,400, maybe 1,500, I don't know. Okay, let's say out of that 1,400, let's assume the whole 1,400, the whole comments, the whole 1,400 comments are negative. Let's assume. How many population do we have in Nigeria? 1,400 pere. And that 1,400, 1,399 comment comes from fake accounts. You see, let me tell you something. You should know your purpose in life. You should know why you come to this world. Do not allow anybody to bully you. Do not allow anybody to ridicule you. Do not allow anybody to make you feel lesser. Did they do stand on your game? You don't understand? They are the ones selling me. They are the ones showing the whole world that Lizzie is brilliant. They are the, in fact, without them I won't be here. I've been saying this. Is it that you will go to on one platform, you that they just dash you 500 now, you'll be telling, everybody hates Lizzie, everybody hates Lizzie, and yet Lizzie Anjorin has been able to cross from acting to business, and she succeed. Record Utimo break in history in Hollywood. Break from acting to business. To the Shedada, from business, fabric business, I'm doing well. Developer business, I'm doing well. If truly people hate Lizzie, I won't succeed in any business. Okay, if you know as people hate Lizzie, what happened to you when you start your own business? Why do you always open a shop every AK market? When you open your shop today, you fall again. You open shop again, you fall again. You open shop again, you fall. So where is the love? You are not loved. Nobody loves you. If you have a business and your business is not booming, nobody loves you, darling. Giving people 1,500 naira, showing fake love for you, doesn't mean you are succeed. You are just fooling yourself. Because those that want to even help you, they will not help you. Sure, you understand? They will not help you. You cannot manipulate the whole world now. 1,400, and you know 1,400, yeah? 1,399, they are fake accounts. You are not saying, Jude, you want to mess up your page. Do you know who Lizzie Anjorin is? Do you know how big Lizzie Anjorin is? Do you know how big Lizzie Anjorin brand is? You are telling Jude, a whole brand. If Jude should contact Mr. President, Jude's platform is an honor for Mr. President. Forget it. Jude has built his own brand. If Jude contacts anybody, they will rush there. So it's you that you that does not have life, you does not have vision, you are NFA, no vision. You'll be telling Jude, Jude, why did you bring this? Do you think people like you are the one that will determine what will happen on Jude's platform or what will happen with Lizzie Anjorin? The California, that my estate, do you know how much we sell 500 square meter? Maybe you should contact Arike for you to know how much we sell 500 square meter. Now imagine how many square meter we are selling. Maybe you'll be able to, you know, you'll be able to take a humble seat and think about your life. You want to share 1,000 naira. Oh, she share 200,000 did job. You are now telling someone to live their life. That Jude platform, you are not attacking Lizzie. You are attacking Jude. Around time, Jude will be big fish you are. Around time, because you know I don't honor any interview. I don't do interview. I don't grant interview for anybody. I don't do it. You don't understand? I don't grant interview. Ara tanye wo pe báwo ni Jude ṣe gbé Lizzie Anjorin ó dùn yín jù. Ẹ wish ke ó jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin ni Jude máa gbé lọ. Àwọn ọ̀tàn ibú ló wà nù tàn yín. Ìṣẹ̀dá yín ò dá. Kò sí àwọn ojú ẹ̀yin ó tó ṣì àwáyé má ṣe rere ni tàn yín ti dùn. ìtàn yín ò dá on the norms ìtàn yín ò dá ok kí lẹ fẹ́ lọ sọ mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní dóko lọ́mọ ọdún 3 bàbá mi ti gogú dàbọ̀ mi lóbò lọ́mọ ọdún 5 ẹ má bínú ẹ ṣàjà máa fi lè sọ Yorùbá ok ṣé ni ẹran náà fi dè yẹ ẹ mọ́lẹ̀ lọ́mọ ọdún 3 what do you want to go and tell the world? So far so good so far so good gbogbo interview tẹ́ ti ṣe ní gbogbo ayé yín àárí kankan tó wà di value sí society. Is it that kẹ́ máa ba ayé èèyàn jẹ́? Is it that kẹ́ lọ attack èèyàn? Is it that gbogbo ìgbésí ayé yín concept bára ni? Any opportunity tẹ́ bá rí concept jẹ́ pé tẹ́ bá ti kúrò ńbẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn máa ní ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ ẹ̀yin lẹ ń tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ tí bí ẹ fún wa lákàùntì yín. Gbogbo ìgbésí ayé yín nìyẹn. Mo wà lórí live fún wọ́n dẹ̀ máa gbóhùn yín. Mo wà lórí live sis. You don't understand? Okay, ẹ̀yin lẹ ń tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ tí bí ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ bàbá wọn kọ́ bàbá wọn wà responsible ẹ fún wa lákàùntì yín. Ẹ jẹ́ pé gbogbo opportunity tẹ́ bá rí gbogbo ọpọlọ yín bára ni. Mo wà lórí live, mo wà lórí live. Mo wà lórí live. Mo wà lórí live. You don't understand? So kí ni value tẹ́ ní ẹ kò máa rò pé wọ́n kò máa pèyàn randomly lọ sórí platform. Lára àwọn question, lára àwọn ìgbà tán tí wọ́n contact àwọn team mi. Àwọn team mi sọ fún wọn pé kí no fẹ́ ní àwọn like story mi pé story mi inspire wọn. Pé then àwọn èèyàn ńlá ní society ló dídí pick orúkọ mi pé kàn gbé mi wá sí platform. In fact, ọjọ́ tí mo receive message látọ̀dọ̀ àwọn management team mi because mi kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ lọ mo gbà tó sọ wípé àwọn èèyàn ńlá ńlá àwọn tó ga nínú ayé ni wọ́n sọ wípé kí n wá sọ story mi ní platform Jude because story mi ó inspire àwọn ọ̀dọ́ pé ojú òkín tì mí àti sọ story mi. That is why in life tó bá jẹ́ pé òtítọ́ ló gbé dání máa sọ òtítọ́ ẹ lọ. Tó bá dẹ̀ pé irọ́ náà ló gbé dání àwọn èròjà bẹ́gà ló gbé dání continue. But one on one wàá mọ̀ pé òun lose. You see, when I was talking about my life mo ever rò wípé irú àwọn Jude ẹ máa ní interest. You know I do my show majorly Yoruba. You don't understand? But pé irú àwọn Jude ẹ like popular demand ni. Ṣé you understand? And nǹkan tó gbé mi lọ ní wípé pé mo máa wà proud of my story. Story mi kẹ̀dẹ̀ ni ó inspire àwọn èèyàn pàtàkì. Wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ kí n wá sí platform wọn kí n wá sọ story mi. Lè fi mí wé any kini reason. Financially my parents may not, I don't know much. Financially my parents may not be that rich. But tó bá ní integrity àwọn òbí mi wọ́n nípa. Ṣé kí wá sọ nǹkan fún yín bóyá nítorí bọ́lọ́run ṣe dá mi. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa baby father mi, first baby father mi. Aláàánú ẹ̀dá ni. Alálùbáríkà ẹ̀dá ni. Bàbá Rótìmí aláàánú ọkùnrin ni. Aláàánú ẹ̀dá ni. Mi ò lè gbàgbé láíláí oore ńlá tó ṣe nínú ayé mi. Aláàánú ẹ̀dá ni. Ọkùnrin alálùbáríkà ni. Aláàánú ẹ̀dá ni. Èmi tí ó jẹ́ pé mò ń ṣọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ alámàlà, you know, pẹ̀lú bí level wọn ṣe tó, ó sì ń ṣe mí láàánú, ó ń ṣe mí lóore, ó ṣe dáadáa fún mi. You don't understand? Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ nípa okay pé mo ṣe wedding nílé ayé mi, pé mo ṣe ìgbéyàwó. Àbí ọkọ mi, adé orí mi, olólùfẹ́ mi, bàbá mi, Ọlọ́run mi kékeré, Ààrẹ Abdulateef Lawal. I don't need to tell you pé aláàánú mi ni. Gbogbo àgbáyé gan mọ̀ pa aláàánú mi ni. You don't understand? Tẹ́ bá wo angle méjèèjì. Tẹ́ bá wo màmá mi aláàánú mi ni ìyá mi jẹ́. Aláàánú mi ó kọ́ mi bí èèyàn ṣe lè lóyà. Ìyá mi kọ́ mi bí èèyàn ṣe lè sòótọ́. Ìyá mi kọ́ mi bí èèyàn ṣe lè nífẹ̀ẹ́. Ìyá mi kọ́ mi bí èèyàn ṣe lè ṣiṣẹ́. Gbogbo iṣẹ́ tá ń ṣe bá ṣe ń kiri àmàlà. Ìyá mi jẹ́ kó yé mi pé normal iṣẹ́ ni that we should even be proud of. Pánkiri àmàlà. Any odd jobs tá bá ṣe, màmá mi train mi wípé gbogbo odd jobs tá ń ṣe yẹn pé iṣẹ́ gidi ni. Màmá mi ò jẹ́ kó yé mi pé eléyìí lolówó tá gbọ́dọ̀ 8. eléyìí ló ń ṣe dáadáa tá gbọ́dọ̀ bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ no màmá mi jẹ́ kó yé mi pé ẹni tó ń ṣe dáadáa yẹn tí èmi náà bá fẹ́ ṣe dáadáa mọ́ mi ni mo gbọ́dọ̀ lọ serve lọ́ndà ẹ̀ tí mi ò bá wá ní access ẹni yẹn màmá mi ní tí bá ti jí láàárọ̀ kí n máa ṣàdúrà fún wọn bá ti lọ́sàn kí n máa ṣàdúrà fún wọn lálẹ́ kí n máa ṣàdúrà fún wọn ibi tí bá ti tó bá ti fẹ́ bá ti wọn jẹ́ kí n máa ṣàdúrà fún wọn màmá mi ní pé tó bá ti lọ́wọ́ síbi tó fẹ́ gbẹ́ni tó ga ṣubú ò ní ga nínú ayé kò sí bó ṣe lè package ẹ̀ tó ṣé you understand you cannot like me we are not in the same league we are not in the same caliber we are not in the same level irú èmi nísìn tó bá dàárọ̀ là tó bá ní pé kọ́ wá fọ̀gbẹ́ níta yẹn owó wà ńbẹ̀ I will pick broom and packer I will go and fọ̀gbẹ́ in as much I will get money olè ni mi ò lè jà ogun owó ni mi ò lè ṣe ẹ̀yin wọn ò lè gbé fáìlì sí ọ́fíìsì pé kẹ́ wá sign mẹ́wàá ẹ lè ṣiṣẹ́ òbó ti bàjẹ́ fúnrọ́ ti pín yìnkìn ẹ lè ṣiṣẹ́ as orientation mi àti yín ò the same orientation yín yàtọ̀ sí ti tèmi àwọn wèrè ló bí yín àwọn onígbáná ló ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dá yín èèyàn gidi ló bí èmi orientation wa ò the same àwọn tó bí èmi jẹ́ kó yé mi wípé is a taboo to beg around àwọn tó bí ẹ̀yin wọ́n ti kọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè bá yé èèyàn jẹ́ àti gba donation so ẹ lè like me we are not doing the same business it does one a great mind think alike tó bá jẹ́ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe rò pé mo fẹ́ ṣoríire mo fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ àwọn wo ló ń da fún ẹjá fàdúrà ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ àwọn wo lọ́lọ́run ti gbé ga ẹjá dúró tì wọ́n káwa náà lè ga tó bá yẹ pé ru mindset yẹn lẹ ní ẹ máa nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi but mindset tẹ́yìn ní ni pé àwọn wo lọ́lọ́run gbé ga ẹjá já wọn ṣubú àwọn wo ló ń da fún ẹjá bá tí wọ́n jẹ́ èèyàn kan ti kú ń bí ẹ jẹ́ ká da family yẹn rú ká lè gba donation so you cannot and nínú gbogbo population tó wà lágbàáyé ẹ̀yin 1400 péré mo tún wá kílíkì tí n bá kílíkì tẹ́ bá page mi gan tí n bá kílíkì ìdíjà kó jẹ́ fake account or kó jẹ́ pé àwọn ọmọ NYSC torí wọ́n ti burú torí ìyá wọn ti gbà bọ̀dẹ̀ tí ìyá wọn ò kọ́ wọn dáadáa pé ọkọ mi tó bá fẹ́ jẹ́yàn láyé ẹni tí ò bá ṣẹ̀ tí ò bá rú ẹ má bá wọn lọ bu o má gba owó láti lọ bá tèèyàn jẹ́ o torí pé sórí àwọn tọ́lọ́run ti dá dáadáa yẹn má bá wọn túdi wọn o kọ́ má bá fi ìṣẹ̀dá ẹ ṣe ìpèsè ibi gíga wọn o mọ̀ pé tó bá ti nírú ìyá tó lè fún ẹ ní good orientation o ní pastor o ní mọ́ọ̀mù gidi tó lè fún ẹ ní good orientation àwa ní àwọn tó fún wa ní good orientations àwa ní wọ́n ti sọ fún wa ilé ayé báyìí ni o tó bá fẹ́ rájẹ jẹun má ṣọ̀tá jẹ o tó bá fẹ́ ṣoríire lórí ilẹ̀ àwọn tí ilẹ̀ bá gbéga má wá di àwọn tó fẹ́ já wọn bọ́ o so mi ò expect then nínú interview mi I talked about poverty is more deadly than death téèyàn bá kú ó sàn ju kí ìyà jẹ èèyàn lọ sórí ìwọ tí wọ́n ń bọ́ tó ní mindset bó fẹ́ bọ́yàn bó ṣe máa ronú ó yàtọ̀ sí ẹni tí wọ́n ń bọ́ tó rò pé irọ́ I'm not here for begging irọ́ bó ṣe ń bọ́ mi èmi náà fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan padà sílé mindset oníkálùkù tuntun. Let me tell you something. Look at Baba Mohbad case. Let's bring in Baba Mohbad case. Baba Mohbad case. If Baba Mohbad case happens to be an average man in the society, show possible kí ọmọ èèyàn kú láì kú bàbá yẹn wọ́n dẹ̀ ń fòkú ọmọ ìgbà bára láì kú bàbá yẹn wọ́n dẹ̀ ń fi òkú ọmọ ìgbà bára mi ò ní sọ pé Baba Mohbad poor mi ò ní sọ pé poverty mú Baba Mohbad no torí pé when we're talking about poverty it's not about your financial stuff at times having bad people around you poverty ni not having good connections poverty ni not having outspoken people around you poverty ni no matter how big or how rich you are if you don't have some outspoken people around you you are poor ìyà máa jẹ gbé no matter ego advert da Àjọkẹ́ advert dà ojú yín ti fọ́ ojú fóònù ti fọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ṣé a lè lo fóònù Àríkẹ́ àbí ká lo ṣé ká lo VIP or Ankara line dáadáa mo need advert kò tí ì ṣe bóyá kò ní data connect ẹ̀ mọ́dọ̀ Àríkẹ́ Àríkẹ́ tọ́ data ẹ̀ dáadáa mo need advert ṣó ti eyín nǹkan tí mi sọ we are not leaving baba Mohbad we are not leaving olè ní ẹ olè èlò lẹ fi òkú baba Mohbad pa olè ní ẹ wọ́n ti rí yín tán lọ́dọ̀ Júùdù àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ti rí yín tán àwọn Júùdù wọ́n ti rí yín tán wọ́n ti rí yín tán àwọn ọmọ baba Mohbad àwọn Júùdù wọ́n ti rí yín tán ẹ jẹ́ ká wò it's not about money at times it is not about money there are times tí kò bá sí bí mo ṣe dúró tán tó bá jẹ́ pé ọmọ ọ̀nú mẹ́kan Alhaji Lawal lọ fẹ́ Adótòṣì ti máa jẹun lọ o torí tó bá kọ́ lọ parọ́ mọ́ màá yẹn náà pó lọ bọ́mọ ìṣósùn ibi tá wà lé nìkan la máa wà o ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé Adótòṣì Gistlover kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa ṣe èmi àti yín mọ̀ anybody tó bá fẹ́ bring down ó lè ná dóra wọn bára wọn sùn á dẹ̀ dúró tán Adótòṣì Gistlover á dúró tán kí ló fìyà jẹ baba Mohbad is not about money ó dẹ̀ tún lè jowó nǹkan tí ojú baba Mohbad ti rí ní ayé ẹ̀ lẹ́nu ìgbà tọ́mọ ẹ̀ kú láàrin ìgbà tọ́mọ ẹ̀ kú ní 2023 àjọ baba Mohbad ti dáyé tí ìran baba wọn ti dáyé ohun tójú baba Mohbad rí lẹ́nu ìgbà tọ́mọ ẹ̀ kú àwọn generation wọn tán ti lọ wọn rí. You don't understand? Imagine an average person, Nigeria of today. Ṣẹ́rí case yẹn ó dìbò. Mo bọ̀ wá fún yín ní full show lọ́la. Mo bọ̀ wá fún yín ní full show ní ọ̀la. Tí mo máa gbé wá pẹ̀lú receipt. Tẹ́ bá wo history Mohbad. Ta ló gbé kúrò lọ́dọ̀ ọ̀gá ẹ̀? Ta ló dáàrin òun àtọ̀gá ẹ̀ rú? Ta ló dáàrin òun àtọ̀gá ẹ̀ rú? Mo ní post kan tí mo post láàárọ̀ tí gbogbo yín rí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n ka post yẹn fún yín. Mo post ẹ̀ sí Facebook láàárọ̀. Adótòṣì má bínú. Adótòṣì Gistlover. Mo rọ́wọ́ ẹ ní Instagram ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ má worry. Ó mọ nǹkan tí màá ṣe fún ẹ. Já ṣe báyìí. Báwo mo ṣe kí ni mo fẹ́ ṣe fún ẹ wò? Kò máa wò ó sìn yìí o. Kí ni mo lè ṣe fún ẹ wò? Kí ni máa rí fún o Adótòṣì? Oh God. Adótòṣì kí ni mo máa ṣe fún ẹ báyìí o? Adótòṣì. Ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tó funny. Kí ni mo máa ṣe o? Mo ń bọ̀ ẹ ṣáà má worry. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo ń bọ̀. Má distract wa. Adótòṣì ṣó ń gbádùn mi báyìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n ka kíní yẹn. Má worry, tí n bá ti ṣe tán ìwọ